Stop. Stop. I do not. Quit moving your fucking hands.
Officers responded to a routine encounter that rapidly escalated into a violent struggle.
What's your name?
Well, y'all shot me.
Okay, you got an ID with you, man?
No.
You got an ID with you, man? Okay, well, that's illegal, so I can arrest you for that. So you,
I ain't know that.
all right, let me get your ID then. Because that's illegal. You can't be walking around with open arms, man. Okay, so let me get an ID real quick. No, you do have to because that's illegal.
Hell, I'm 18. Just turned.
You're 18?
Yeah, just turned 18.
Legal age limit's 21 to drink.
I didn't know that.
And you had open container, so come on, man. I'm gonna see an ID right now.
I don't have an ID.
Okay, what's your name?
Josh.
Josh?
Yes, sir.
You know if you're lying to me too, that's another crime, right? Do you drive? Do you have a car?
No.
No? And you never been issued an ID or a license or anything like that?
No.
No? Okay. Where are you guys coming from?
But I live around here, I can tell you that.
Traffic 54.
Look it up. I just know my laws.
You know your laws?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you mean by that?
You say I pulled over for the empty container. All you do right now is give me a ticket. I threw it out.
You said that's the only thing I can do?
It's not at the curfew.
What does that mean, curfew? What are you talking about, curfew?
I'm 18, so with that being said,
yeah, you're 18. You said you admitted to drinking alcohol.
Yeah, okay, and
then you're supposed to walk around with an open container and you got more alcohol. Huh?
Do you have somebody else?
No.
I just want to know, like, what's the problem?
Signal 10?
Yeah.
34 King just starts at third over here.
So what's the problem?
Well, I ran your name. I'll make sure that you're good to go.
Okay, so you ran it. It's been what? How long?
I don't. My dispatch is the one that does, right? We don't. So
stop it.
I gave you your name, so unless you're lying to me, I like.
No, not my problem. My thing is, my dad, lawyer. I've been through this shit before. I know how this shit go.
Say it again.
My dad's a lawyer. I know how this shit go.
Okay.
I know the law, literally back and forth.
Okay. So if you know the law back and forth, why do you think I can't detain you for having open alcohol? Because that's the whole reason why I stopped you.
You give me a ticket.
I have not given you a ticket.
No, you can give me a ticket.
You're right, I can.
Yeah. You can't detain.
You're detained right now, meaning you're not free to go.
Right, okay. So I'm not free to go.
No, you're not.
Prosecutors say officers first encountered the suspect walking with open alcohol. When police attempted a pat-down, investigators allege a firearm was discovered, triggering a struggle as the suspect tried to flee, resisted arrest, and injured multiple officers. He was later identified as 23-year-old Elijah.
All right, Josh, I see you got another bottle of alcohol there. Anything else you got on you shouldn't have?
I know, because I love alcohol.
Okay, but you just said you're 18, so you're not legally allowed to have it.
And you're right. I'll throw this out too. Same way.
Okay.
But with that, I can't. It's trash right here.
No, not right now.
I'll throw it though.
Not right now.
No, I would.
No, don't throw it because if it breaks.
It's in the grass. Come on, man. You're not done.
Don't throw it out right
Come on, man. You're not done, man. I would throw it out so y'all can see.
No.
Y'all can't say.
Hold on. Do this. Do this. Open it and pour it out. Don't throw it out.
Well, so you can't say that I didn't. You know what I'm saying? No.
All right, man. Do you got anything else on you, right?
No.
No. All right. So just to make sure, I'm gonna just pat you down. Make sure you
No, I
got
do
nothing else
not
on you,
consent to no search.
Okay.
No.
Well, just to make sure, I'm gonna pat you down.
No, I
make sure
do
you got
not
nothing else
consent
on
to
you.
no search. I know my rights and all that.
Okay.
Do not pat me down.
Keep your hands up. I'm gonna make sure you don't have anything else on you. All right? Stop moving. Do not run. Do not stop. Do not consent to search. Stop.
I do not consent to search.
Stop.
Stop reaching.
I do not. Stop reaching. Stop reaching.
Hands up here.
Stop.
I do not consent to search.
Stop.
I do not consent to search.
Stop.
I do not.
Quit moving your fucking hands. Quit moving your fucking hands. Whoever's coming, hurry up.
I do not consent to search. Hit him. Oh shit.
Put your hands in your back now.
I do not consent to search.
Get his other hand.
Stop moving.
Do you want to get tased? Do you want to get tased?
I do not.
Do you want to get tased? Do you want to get tased? Do you want to get tased?
license to search.
I think he's gotta go.
I got something.
He's gotta go.
No, I don't have a gun. No, I don't have a gun.
If you don't stop, I'm gonna fucking tell you.
I'm not reaching. Stop. Stop.
Stop. Come on, dude. Chill. Yep.
Stop.
I got him. I got him. Thank you. I got his right arm. I got his right arm.
Please stop.
Yeah, come on, man.
Okay, he's fine. He's fine. Are you good? Okay. We done? It's over. Okay?
I can't breathe. I got shot. Look under my shirt.
Okay, just sit up.
17 times. I can't. No.
Sit up.
I can't breathe, folks.
We'll get you an ambulance.
Is there another one running?
No.
Oh, there was. You have someone else.
Oh, he had a big chunky dude, shorts, black shorts, blue shirt. Hey, Wilson. Hispanic?
Yeah.
Male Hispanic.
I can't breathe. Please, look at my hand. Look how tight.
We have it.
Sit up then. Yeah, sit up, dog. Come on. You're sitting on your one arm. That's said you can't feel. Okay, sit like this. Yeah. Just don't move. Just stay like that. Stay like that.
Please, mother. I can't. Yo, I got shot 17 times. Please, I'm asking y'all once again, please. Please, my hand.
An ambulance coming for you.
We got an ambulance coming for you. Yeah, ambulance is coming, my man.
Please, no, my hand. Do y'all not see? Please, do y'all not see how tight it is?
Well, man, you were fighting us. It took 5 of us to
I'm
get
not trying
you.
to. I've been having a season this whole time. I'm trying to tell y'all.
Is that what you call fighting us?
His name's Josh.
He started seizing and then
I got shot.
and then he came back and seizure.
Y'all not listening.
I'm listening. You got shot 17 times.
Okay, Josh. Look, stay from my shirt, yo.
Listen, hey,
I can't breathe, bro.
listen, Josh.
I can't breathe, bro.
Josh. All right, man, let's get off the cot then. We're gonna get you stood up. Let's get you sat on the cot, okay? Get everything else checked out. Come on.
I got it. Hold on.
You got it? You can stand up on your own. It's gonna be a lot more comfortable that way, I promise you. Okay. We're gonna get you all checked out. Bend your knees.
Yep, bend this knee.
Pull up more.
There you go.
Ready? You're gonna stand down. 2, 3.
Ooh,
Up. That's what I mean.
Hold on.
Okay. The sooner we get back in the 8.
I'm trying.
That's easy.
There you go. Allow hit your head now.
Students are on the Captain Lower receiving another call for that 1010.
Josh, ready?
Please
1.
stand up.
Stand up. 1, 2, 3.
We have not had any voice.
All right, man, sit down.
No, this is Saints.
Oh, Saints. Okay.
Josh. Listen, man, those cuffs, those are only going to hurt you more the more you resist them. We're trying to make it so that we, if you're decent with everybody, do you need any gloves, man? We can figure something else out, all right? Kept on trying to grab it.
Did you run the serial number on this too? No. Yeah. But oh, it's scratched off.
Elijah cleared, valid photo ID.
Is it?
Discharged out
Oh, yeah.
parole status
Oh, that's another.
and gang affiliated.
What is this? A fucking Springfield Hellcat. It's a Hellcat. I think so, right? Yeah, Springfield. 10-4. Then can you just make a note down to 32, the serial number scratched off? I believe it's a Springfield Hellcat.
Come on, Josh.
Oh, relax, dude. My legs up.
You need to cooperate with us, alright?
I'm
Just trying to get you the help that you need, alright, man? Just relax, dude.
Good?
Alright, man?
Elijah cleared, valid photo ID. Showing discharged out parole status.
No, we're coming to you, man. Let's go.
Someone else want to come with me? At least meet me at the hospital, so he's going to be a problem once we try to get there.
Those are my cuffs, so I can get them anyway.
Yeah.
All right, cool. I'll be riding with the ambulance.
After Elijah was taken into custody, officers transported him to a hospital for evaluation, where police say he asked to use the bathroom and then ran down the hallway in an attempt to escape, tackling a security guard before being restrained again. Investigators say he later tried to escape a second time while being escorted, kicking and biting officers, and caused damage to a squad car during transport back to the police department.
Come on, get out of my shit, nigga. I ain't kicking, I ain't doing shit.
You going back in?
Left side hurt, I'm not on shit.
Alright, just stay there.
Alright, that's cool. I'm not going. Bro,
Okay, just stop. You've already ran twice now, so obviously we don't trust you anymore.
Let's go. Come on, bro. You doing that shit on purpose with my cuffs, bro.
5171, I'm on with 88.
What are you waiting on?
What's up? Is he going?
Yeah, let's pick him up.
This is my 1101, so.
Okay, what are we doing?
At a squad going back.
Pick him up.
Is he discharged? Is he discharged from the hospital?
Lift him up.
Oh, he's not discharged.
Oh,
He's not discharged, so he tried to run.
Let's set him up.
Okay.
All right, guys, you know what? Can we get a wheelchair? I'll stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
Okay. All right. Here, let's double lock the cuffs.
Yeah, make sure he's double locked. Not too tight.
He ran down the street. You got another charge, buddy.
I ain't talking to you.
Alright, I'm not talking to you.
Oh, now you're awake?
No, I'm talking to this bitch ass over here.
Taking that pass out? Speed up.
Hey, no.
You can roll in or we can.
Go in, nigga. Tell us that let my feet go. Go in, nigga. Let my feet go. I'll put him on there. Let him go, nigga. I'll go there, nigga. Let him go. Let it go.
Put him up.
Come on. You see, I just told him.
Put him up. Put him up.
Alright, I'll put it up. Come on, let my foot go, bro.
Put it down. Put it down.
He got it up, literally.
Put it down.
I'm trying to. He got it up. Let it go so I can put it down, nigga.
Relax.
Bro, let it go so I can put it up. Relax. Oh, bro, Barry, stop touching me.
What number?
15 right here.
Does he need any more treatment or is he good to go? Okay, not rushing, I just. He's good to go, then we'll get him out.
Take my son.
Yeah, we can do that.
You don't gotta.
I mean, I don't even
He just tried to run out of here. I don't see anything.
Can't go with this shit,
Let's lock it this whole time.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
No, what the fuck? Hold on, don't touch me, bitch. Is you tweaking, nigga? This is where I've been at, bitch. I'm going back to my bed, nigga.
Stay in the chair. Stay in the chair. Stay in the chair.
None of that. Tweak, bro. You don't touch me, nigga.
I'm gonna put cuffs on you, which means
I got cuffs on me, nigga. How many more cuffs you gonna do? I got cuffs on me, nigga.
I'm cuffing you to the chair.
Take this shit off. Bro, why the fuck you grab my... Boy, don't do that. Do not do that. Do not swing on it. Boy, swing your shit. I'm in cuffs.
Don't do that.
Boy, I'm in cuffs. Have a swing.
Pull his leg out from under. Pull his leg out.
Boy, he got my neck.
Right there.
He got my neck. Let my neck.
Watch the wheelchair.
Let my neck go. Hey, boy. Let me go, boy. Let me go for the... Bro.
Hey, Ian.
Bro, let me go, boy.
Can this get out of the way?
Bro. Let me go, bro.
No,
Bro.
you're gonna kick us. I'm not letting you go.
I'm not gonna kick you out. No. Ah, my fuck, bro.
Yeah. All right, let's... Carry him out.
Carrying him out?
Yeah. Okay.
Down here, man.
Hey, can you switch ends on spot?
Just relax, man. Come on.
No, he beat the fuck out of me twice. No, nigga.
Relax.
No. He beat me twice, boy. Let me go, boy. Are you sitting back now? Someone go in.
This one's mine. Can I just put it right there?
Yeah. Who's in front of this?
This is mine.
There's a lot.
It's open. It's open. Yeah. Right here.
All right. You can't shut the door. Shut the fucking door. I'll get out of there.
Later, officers arrested Elijah, 23. He was charged with aggravated battery of a peace officer, multiple counts, possession of a firearm, aggravated unlawful use of a weapon, multiple counts. Investigators say the incident began when officers approached Elijah for having open alcohol in public. During the contact, police say he provided a false name and tried to flee after officers noticed part of a firearm on his person. A struggle followed, during which several officers were injured before he was taken into custody, and a loaded handgun was recovered. Police say the situation didn't end there. While being treated at a hospital, Elijah allegedly attempted to escape custody twice, once running through hallways and tackling a security guard, and later resisting again while being restrained. Officers say additional damage occurred during transport back to the police department. A judge ordered him held in the Lake County Jail pending a detention hearing as the case moves forward.